we are going to study the solid state. So solid state is the properties first. They have more interparticle forces and less interparticle distances. Forces and less interparticle distances. Now the next is they have definite volume and shape. Definite volume and shape. The constant particles of solids have definite position and they can only vibrate or oscillate about their mean position and they can't leave their own space. So they have constituent particles of solids have fixed position and they can only move, oscillate about their mean position and can't leave the space, right? Now the next is they are rigid and incompressible, right? So these are the properties related to the solids. Now the solids actually matters made up of constant particles. Now the types of solids on the basis of arrangement of constant particles, right? Types of solids on the basis of arrangement of constituent particles. It's constituent particles. So mainly on the basis of the constituent particles, they are of two types, amorphous and crystalline. So here amorphous and the second is crystalline. Amorphous is in which the constituent particles are randomly arranged, means not present in regular pattern, while in case of crystalline solids the constituent particles are arranged in a regular pattern, regular arrangement. So here in this the constituent particles are not arranged in regular pattern, that is they are irregularly arranged. For example, suppose a solid matter is made up of two kind of particles and they are irregularly arranged, right? Suppose a solid state, solid matter is composed of two kinds of particles. So, how they irregularly arranged, I am going to show here. So, here these are the particles, maybe atoms, ions, or molecules, whatsoever it may be. Now, the second type. One type is in the black position, second type is in the blue position. So both are irregularly arranged. Neither kind of regular pattern is there. They are irregularly arranged, and that's this kind of pattern present in the solid. That solid is called the amorphous solid. Right? Now here the crystalline, in which the constant particles are regularly arranged, means in a regular pattern, in a fixed pattern arranged. In this, the constituent particles are arranged in regular pattern. Right? For example, suppose a crystalline solid made up of two kind of particles. Then here is the regular pattern I am going to show here. So this is a regular pattern is there. Now the second particle. So they are regularly arranged. They are arranged in a fixed pattern. So this kind of matter, solid matter, is called the crystalline solid. Right? Now next move to the differences between amorphous and crystalline solids. So now the difference between the crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Here are the properties we are going to differentiate between the crystalline and amorphous solids. So one by one I am going to take. The first is shape. So the shape, crystalline solids have regular pattern and that have the definite geometrical shape. So it has the definite geometrical shape. But in case of amorphous solids, they doesn't have the definite geometrical shape. Not have definite geometrical shape. So here, now the next property is physical property. So actually crystalline solids interparticle forces are very strong. So they have very strong forces in between the particles and they are elastic and they are very hard. Have strong interparticle forces hard and elastic. But in case of this, less force of attraction, comparison to crystalline solids, right? Then crystalline solids and are soft. Right? Now the next is